how to download Netflix app on your Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Safari browser and after that search for Netflix over here, and this is where it will take you. Since Netflix doesn't have any official app that you can utilize for your laptop or PC, you can just simply open up Netflix, then open up Files section at the top left hand side corner, then select this option of Add to Dock. And here you get this option where you can simply change the name accordingly and also the link for this particular website, and then click on this option of Add, and it will be added to the dock section at the bottom. You can access it quite easily from this place and it will open up separately even if you close down Safari. You would also be able to find it in the apps section, or you can also search it up in the spotlight. And this is how you do it. And in case if you want to remove it, simply click on this option of quit, and after that drag and drop it in the bin. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.